Hey guys, how's it going? This is Daanesh here from GN Tech, and today we're checking out this. The Dyson OmniGlide Plus. This is, well, actually their smallest machine. I actually have never seen a box this size, so pretty excited to unbox it. So let's jump right in. All right, so the first thing, as soon as you open the box, is let's start here. Let's first remove, you got some more. Aha, okay, so this, we'll check this out in a minute, but look at that, super slim, love it. Inside you've also got the extension wand, then we've got a box which holds these three. So you've got these extensions as well. This one, the one that has the light in it, so the crevices, another crevice tool, but this one has the little brush on top. So this is their mattress tool, very useful, love it. I end up using it a lot actually. Then further inside the box, we've got the charger. Now in this one, I think for the first time, the charger is a little dock where you can dock the whole machine in or just the battery, and the battery is removable. So I'll show that to you in just a minute. The main speciality is this fellow. Now this is Dyson's double-sided, you see, two roller heads. It moves in any direction, all right? The arm bends in every direction and it goes flat. It's something I'm very, very excited to check out. So like I was mentioning earlier, the battery is removable. They had to completely redesign it because the whole idea with this particular Dyson is that they want people to use it in a very natural form when they're vacuuming, right? They want the action to be very, well, let's say natural to the hand. But the thing that I'm most excited about checking out with this one is that while this might be natural to the hand when you're vacuuming the floor, right? Because you're moving it like this, it moves like this. I want to see how natural it would be to, let's say, do dusting like this with a whole heavy vacuum in your hand. And that's going to be interesting to check out. You've also got another, let's say, a few sacrifices here in terms of the fact that the the bin is much smaller, much smaller. So like I said, these are things that I want to check out. They've maintained a lot of the power. But yeah, there's a lot of redesigning gone into this, and if I'm excited to check it out. So if you've got any questions, you'd like to know something, let me know so I can check that out for the full review. My name is Daanesh, and thank you very much for watching.